For us, the first step is to choose the topic and research the subject.
So yeah, research and prep is really important so that you get to know your subject, and it's really cool that you do research before you approach them. So it's nice, basically. It's the learning process.
You feel like an explorer, you know? If you decide to go for a documentary with interview, it's very important to approach the character in a polite way. You have to know their culture, their taste. Be on time and be honest about the story you want to tell, because it's better to build a relationship from the beginning.
It's nice to plan that first day you are with character, you shoot all the B-rolls, his craft, what he's doing, and then he gets used to the camera, he gets used to the people around, and then the second day you shoot an interview so that it's more comfortable for the interview as well. Location scouting is super important as well. Make sure that you visit location before the shoot so you can check if lights are nice. You need to check as well, of course, about sound. Is there noisy? Which is the best hour to shoot?
The location helps you to tell the story, but at the same point it's tricky because you have to adapt to what's there. It's not like you're choosing one location like in a fiction film. It's nice to examine carefully everything that is there, such as windows, for example, which will give you natural light. It's nice to have an idea about the logistics. Can you park outside? Do you need a space for your gear? Lighting is another important element of making a documentary.
It's setting the mood of your movie. Usually our approach is, yes, for the main interview we will light it properly, use all the lights which we have on the set, but for the mood of the documentary, of the character moving around, we're trying to shape natural light. We try to move our subject around the lights and placing them on the other corner of the room if light is nicer there.
Some people think that you need the last piece of gear to film the perfect documentary, but in fact you can work with natural light and have a great result. In documentaries, editing for me is the most important part aside from the research, because you're going to create your movie from scratch. Unlike in a fiction film, where you have everything planned and even the edit is a bit more closed, you can create whatever you want with a documentary.
Preparing the shot list is like writing down the shopping list, and filming for me is like going to the grocery, taking all the different ingredients from food, from vegetables, and then you have editing, which is basically cooking. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you want to learn more about us and our process, please check out our online course on domestic.